IP T105 Algorithms and Programming. Question: which of the following is the language that enables the user to define and use tags enclosed by angle brackets, specifying the structure and other aspects of a document in order to accomplish the intended purpose? A. XML. B. HTML. C. Java. D. COBOL. Let's have a look at the answer explanation. Extensive Markup Language, or XML, is a markup language that defines a set of rules for encoding documents in a format which is both human-readable and machine-readable. XML data is known as self-describing or self-defining, meaning that the structure of the data is embedded with the data. Thus, when the data arrives, there is no need to pre-build the structure to store the data. It is dynamically understood within the XML. Example user-defined tags of XML are as follows. So in XML data, these angled brackets are used, and it is a self-describing or self-defining data, which enables the user to define and use tags enclosed by the angled brackets. Let's have a look at B. Hypertext Markup Language, commonly referred to as HTML, is the standard markup language used to create web pages as well as to create user interfaces for mobile and web applications. HTML elements are delineated by tags written using angle brackets. Tags such as image and input introduce content into the page directly, but HTML does not support user-defined tags. Browsers do not display the HTML tags, but use them to interpret the content of the page. So in HTML, these angle brackets are used, but HTML does not support user-defined tags. So this does not match the description in the question. C. Java is an object-oriented language developed by Sun Microsystems. Compiled Java code can run on most computers because Java interpreters and runtime environments, known as Java Virtual Machines, exist for most operating systems, including Unix, the Macintosh OS, and Windows. Java does not support tags enclosed by angle brackets, specifying the structure. So in Java, it does not support tags enclosed by angle brackets, so this does not fit the description of the question. Finally, let's have a look at D. COBOL stands for Common Business Oriented Language. The U.S. Department of Defense, in a conference, formed CODASIL, Conference on Data Systems Language, to develop the language for business data process needs, which is now known as COBOL. It does not use tags enclosed by angle brackets specifying the structure. So COBOL also does not use tags enclosed by angle brackets, so this is not the correct answer. XML code is similar to HTML. Both XML and HTML contain markup symbols to describe page or file contents. But only XML is allowed to define self-describing tags. Therefore, A is the appropriate answer.